Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by validating essentials. Make sure Windows and GPU drivers are current because mismatched drivers cause many system errors. Once done, run the Riot client as administrator and initiate the built-in repair to rewrite corrupt files. While that runs, close overlays and recording tools. These interfere with anti-cheat hooks. If you use VPN or custom DNS, disable them briefly. These first steps remove common conflicts and prepare the system for deeper fixes if the error persists. Next, tackle anti-cheat and system integrity. Reinstall Riot Vanguard and confirm the Vault service runs at boot. Vanguard must load before Valorant. Then run sfc/scano and dism to restore corrupted Windows components that break game hooks. You should also reset network elements, flush DNS, and reset WinSock, because authentication failures often mimic system errors. Make sure to reboot after each major step so drivers and services register cleanly. This reduces transient failures and isolates persistent issues. To finish, perform a clean reinstall. Uninstall Valorant and Vanguard, manually delete leftover program folders, then reinstall from the Riot client. If the error continues, create a fresh Windows user or boot safe mode with networking to determine if user settings or third-party software cause the issue. If nothing works, gather DXDiag, Riot client logs, and Vanguard service logs. When you contact Riot support, provide those details so they can pinpoint driver or kernel conflicts. A final tip, try a system restore point before large driver change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.